Welcome to Yoga for You, a channel tailored to helping you discover your very own unique yoga practice.
Welcome to Yoga for You. I'm Kristin, and we'll be doing a chair sequence today, and the focus is widening circles. So we'll go ahead and start by just tilting our right ear towards our right shoulder and just feel the stretch through the left side neck. And when you're ready, you can just start to draw a little crescent circle or crescent moon with the top of your head and move towards the other shoulder. So just starting off gently and maybe bringing awareness to the breath, maybe moving the right ear back to the right shoulder. And if it feels good, you can take that right hand and just place it on the head gently, allowing that extra weight to deepen the stretch. And releasing that, you can begin to draw that circle back to the left shoulder, maybe using the left arm to just place it on the head and allow that weight of the hand to gently draw your head towards the ground. And then releasing that. Then we're going to move down to our shoulders with our circles. So we're going to take the right shoulder only and just begin to rotate the right shoulder up, back, and down. And you can allow the palm of your hand to rest on your thigh, and the palm just stays stationary and relaxed as you roll the shoulder back. And we're going to start with just small circles on the right shoulder. Just feeling into the body and feeling into the breath as you rotate that shoulder. And if it feels good to you, you can make the shoulders a little bit, you can make the circles of the shoulders a little wider in circumference. So the hand on the thigh can begin to move sort of back and forth. And the shoulder rotation becomes wider. And the elbow comes out a little bit. You're just working that right shoulder and just feeling into the body and feeling into the breath while you do this. And we can titrate into a larger circle. So really bringing the arm up off the thigh, bringing the elbow out to the side, and just making circles with a larger rotation, if it feels okay. If it's not feeling good, you can go back to the smaller circles, but just a big circle. And you can even start bringing the circle sort of up across the forehead and back and down and release, and drawing a big circle with that shoulder. You can even feel the shoulder blades start to pull back and down. So just drawing these circles and maybe going back to a smaller circle, whatever feels good to you today. And then we'll work on the left shoulder. So again, we just start rotating that left shoulder back, and you can keep your hand on your thigh, just rotating the left shoulder back and down. And allowing yourself just to feel into the body. Noticing any sensations of the body, especially in that shoulder area. And then allowing yourself just to feel into the breath. And maybe the shoulder rotations become a little bit bigger with the hand moving back and forth on the thigh. Titrating these circles so they grow in little increments. and we're really able to tune in to what's going on. And if it feels good, you could even take the hand off the thigh and start rotating the shoulder back and down with the elbow drawing the circle. So choosing what feels right for you on the diameter of the circle and just building into maybe a bigger circle. It's where you're really reaching out and down. Feeling the movement through the shoulder. Maybe taking one more big circle here. And then allowing yourself maybe to come down to smaller circles until you rest both arms on your lap. And this sequence is going to be about drawing circles. So we're going to start by forming a circle with our hands and just feeling the energy maybe that we're holding in the space between the palm of our hands and our belly. And just holding it here, taking a few breaths. And then we're going to inhale together. And on the exhale, we're going to open the circle. So you just open your arms, look up towards the sky, and arch the back. Maybe taking a few breaths here. And then we can inhale the circle back and close the circle. And then we'll open up our arms. The chest opens to the world. We look up towards the sky. Allow the hands to draw back and down. And then we'll come back to a neutral position with the circle in front of us. We'll do this a couple more times. So just allowing yourself to open to the world, feel the arch in the back. And then closing. One more time. And then coming back to center. Now this time we're going to take the arms up and make a circle overhead. So the arms just rise to the sky and we make like a sunrise with our hands. And on the exhale, we just press down as like the sun is setting. So we inhale the arms up and around. And on the exhale, the sun just sets, so pressing down. Inhale, the arms rise. And exhale. Inhaling all the way up. And exhaling. Inhaling again. Exhale. One last time. Inhale. And exhale. And we can just return the hands back to the lap. So let's just take a few breaths here, just noticing the effects from those circles and that breathing. And when you're ready, we're just gonna come to the top of our chair, the edge of our chair, and just opening the feet a little. We'll go ahead and rise to the sky, let the arms reach towards the sky. And then we're gonna draw a circle down, cross the arms, and then the arms come all the way back up. So we just scoop down, cross, and then everything raises. So again, just bending forward, crossing at the arms, and bringing the arms up and around, drawing a giant circle around the body. Inhaling up, exhaling down. Big inhale. And exhale. A few more times. You can feel that stretch in the lower back. And the strength in the arms as you rise to the sky. Last time. And then coming to center. So this time, we're gonna put our hands on our hips, and you can put your left hand on your left hip and raise the right arm up and just make a half circle towards the left. Taking a few breaths here. And then the right hand can come down onto the waist, the left hand rises, and we'll just tilt to the right. Leaning over to the right, feeling the stretch through the right side body. And we'll do 2 more times each side. So the hand can come on the waist, or maybe you want the left forearm to come to the left thigh and raise the right hand to the sky. It's your choice. Just feeling into the stretch, again, feeling into the body and feeling into the breath. And you can take the hand down and switch sides. And again, you have choices here. You can put that right hand on your hip, or you can put the right forearm on your right thigh and just lean into the right side of the body. Taking a few breaths here. And last time on the left side. So the hand can come to the hip, or maybe the left forearm comes to the left thigh. It's your choice. Reaching up and out towards the sky. And finishing on the right side. The right hand comes to the hip, or maybe the right forearm to the right thigh. And then just coming to center. So taking a few breaths here, just feeling the effects of all the stretching so far. And when you're ready, we're just gonna come and take a little bit of an inversion in a chair. So I like to put my forearms on my thighs, right above my knees, and we're just gonna drop down, letting our head and neck sink in between our shoulder blades, allowing the head and neck to release, and feeling a little bit of inversion. Taking a few breaths here. And then when you're ready, we'll just slowly, gently come back up. You might use your hands to brace on your knees, elongate, and then bring the knees together. And we're gonna do a forward fold. So with the knees together, you can use your hands on your thighs to come forward, stretching out the lower back, or you can release your hands, allowing them to come to the ground. Allowing your head, neck, and shoulders to release. Just feeling the stretch through the back of the body. Feeling into the body here and feeling into the breath. We'll take a few breaths here. And then when you're ready, we'll just slowly, gently come right back up. And we'll close our practice by opening up our arms and giving ourselves a little bit of a hug. So maybe bringing the arms to the shoulders and scrunching up the shoulders into the ears if that feels good. Maybe rocking side to side a little. Just kind of giving a seal to your practice. And maybe you open up one more time, and this time the opposite hand comes in first. And giving ourselves a little hug and a seal for the practice. I want to thank you all for practicing yoga with me. May the love in me always honor the love in you. Namaste.